pag-uusapan natin ngayon is all about leadership. So, as a leader, dapat meron tayong vinivision or ginagol and gumagawa tayo ng mga actions para makamit natin yun. So, the person who influences me as a leader is Omeg Venus of Blacklist International. He is a pro player from Mobile Legends and he is now one of the youngest influencers in terms of mobile games.